Sarah, come here. Come on. Where are you? Yeah, she wants to go back inside. Come here, Sarah, come on.